Researchers at Duke University found that about 45% of our daily actions are habits, automatic routines we repeat without even thinking. When those routines start feeling like quicksand, you wake up, go through the motions, but every day feels the same. That's what being stuck in a rut looks like. It's not laziness, and it's not weakness. It's simply your brain repeating patterns that no longer serve you. The good news: you can break free. So, let's talk about how to get yourself out of a rut and step back into a life that feels energized, meaningful, and alive. 1. Recognize you're in a rut. The first step is awareness. A rut often feels like boredom, lack of motivation, or the sense that nothing excites you anymore. Maybe you're scrolling on your phone for hours or watching Netflix not because you want to, but because you can't think of anything else to do. Recognizing this isn't failure, it's actually progress. Once you can name the rut, you can start climbing out. 2. Change one small routine. Trying to overhaul your whole life overnight sets you up for frustration. Instead, start with one small change. For example, if you usually drive the same route to work every day, try a different one. If you normally have coffee first thing in the morning, switch to a quick walk outside before caffeine. Neuroscientists have shown that even small changes in routine can rewire your brain, sparking creativity and motivation. 3. Reconnect with physical movement. Physical activity is one of the fastest ways to shift your mood and mindset. You don't need to sign up for a marathon or spend 2 hours at the gym. Start with a 15-minute brisk walk, stretching, or even dancing in your living room. Exercise boosts dopamine and serotonin, the feel-good chemicals, helping your brain literally reset itself. If you've ever noticed how much clearer your mind feels after moving your body, that's no coincidence. 4. Break the autopilot cycle. Most ruts come from living on autopilot. You wake up, go to work, eat dinner, watch TV, go to bed, repeat. To break this cycle, inject novelty into your day. Try a new hobby, sign up for a cooking class, read a book outside your usual genre, or visit a part of your city you've never been to. Novelty stimulates the brain, and even small adventures can reignite your sense of excitement. 5. Redefine your goals. Sometimes, we end up in a rut because the goals we're chasing no longer inspire us. Take time to reassess. What do you truly want right now? Not what you wanted 5 years ago, not what others expect of you, but what matters to you today. Write it down. Break it into smaller steps. And remember, your goals don't need to be huge to matter. Even working towards something small, like learning a new skill, can pull you forward with purpose. 6. Surround yourself with energy. We absorb the energy of the people around us. If you're surrounded by negativity, gossip, or constant complaining, it's easy to sink deeper into a rut. Instead, connect with people who are passionate, optimistic, and encouraging. That doesn't mean cutting everyone out of your life, but it does mean being intentional with your time. Even listening to podcasts or reading books from inspiring voices can shift your perspective. 7. Practice mindfulness and gratitude. Ruts often make us feel stuck in the past or anxious about the future. Mindfulness, being present in the moment, helps pull you back to now. Start with just 5 minutes of deep breathing or journaling. Pair that with gratitude. Write down 3 things you're thankful for daily. Studies show that gratitude shifts your brain toward positivity, making it easier to notice opportunities instead of obstacles. 8. Seek inspiration from others. Think of people like J.K. Rowling, who was rejected 12 times before Harry Potter was published, or Oprah Winfrey, who was once told she wasn't fit for TV. These stories remind us that ruts are temporary, not permanent. Everyone faces them, but the key is to keep moving. Find role models who've overcome obstacles, and let their resilience inspire your own. 9. Take action before you feel ready. Here's the truth: motivation doesn't come first, action does. Waiting until you feel like it keeps you stuck. Instead, take a small action even when you don't feel ready. Write the first sentence of that report. Put on your workout shoes. Send that one email. Action builds momentum, and momentum gets you out of the rut. 10. Allow yourself rest and self-compassion. Finally, remember that being in a rut doesn't mean you're broken. Sometimes, it's your body and mind telling you to pause. Don't confuse rest with being stuck. Give yourself permission to slow down, recharge, and be kind to yourself. When you approach life with compassion instead of criticism, you'll find it much easier to regain your balance. Life is full of cycles, moments of high energy and moments of stillness. A rut is just one of those low points, not a permanent state. By making small changes, moving your body, redefining your goals, and practicing gratitude, you can climb out and rediscover the excitement you thought you lost. So, take a deep breath. This rut isn't forever. Your next chapter starts the moment you decide to take that first small step.